Hey guys, it's James and Brendan from Aussie Traveller here. The night's just about to set in, so we're just about to secure our awning for the evening. And so we've opted for our anti-flap kit. So as you can see, it's secured to this side here really nicely. It's going to hold our awning in place overnight. We've still got the other side to do. Brendo, you've got some other deflappers here. Do you want to talk us through the range?
Yeah, definitely, mate. So we've got everything from a European style deflapper down the end here, into the single, the double, and the max deflapper. Look, these guys are great, used prominently when you're, stopping over somewhere for a few hours.
So you're stopping for lunch. Yep, got it.
Yeah, you want to eliminate the noise and not have to worry about putting this guy up, where it's, these guys are typically designed to stay up on for your whole trip.
Yep.
So yeah, I reckon we've opted for the right option.
So if you're staying for a long period of time, you're not sure about the winds, you get the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit out and put it up.
Yep.
I know this product's been around for a very long time, so it's over 20 years. It was designed in Australia by a gentleman named Michael Freeney back in the early days of Aussie Traveller. So it stood the test of time with very little modifications over that period. So great product, complemented by a nice range of deflappers. So what do you say, mate? Let's get this other side of the anti-flap kit up and we'll go from there.
Let's do it.
Too easy.